Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the outline thickness of a shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Then go to a blank page. Then go to the Tools section, select the Shapes drop down menu. Now I am select the rounded rectangle. Then draw a rounded rectangle shape. Then select the Move tool. Now we want to change the thickness of outline. Select the wide option and increase the wide. Now we can see we change the thickness very easily. You can change the stroke or outline color. Now we can see we change outline thickness very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.